Back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix anadius 64 DLL file missing error 2023. So the first step is you have to go to our Chrome tab and paste this DLL file. Now there we have to click on the first link, anadius 64 DLL free download. Now on here we have to scroll down and we have to click on this download. Close all the ads and click on downloads. So the downloading has been started. So you can see file has been downloaded. Now we have to extract the file from WinRAR to our PC. So we click on folders and click on downloads. So here is the WinRAR file. You have to double click and click on extract, open with WinRAR. Close this and we have to click extract to okay and close. So here's our file extracted. So you just have to do is copy this anadius file, DLL file, and cut. Sorry, you can copy, cut, short choice. So click on lower XC, click on Windows, scroll down. Click on system 32, paste the file in here, click on continue, and after so as you can see the file has been pasted in the system 32 local XC. So this was the method to fix our anadius 64 DLL file. Thanks for watching. Next, goodbye.